How to download Roblox on PC and laptop on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to install Roblox on your computer. First, open your browser and go to roblox.com. After that, click on Download in the top right corner if you're not already signed in, or sign in first if you have an account. From there, click on Download Studio, or simply proceed to the Play button on any game, since Roblox prompts installation automatically the first time. At this point, click on the downloaded installer file once it finishes downloading. In the next step, click Run if a security prompt appears asking to confirm the installation. Following this, wait a few moments while Roblox installs automatically on your computer. Once installation finishes, Roblox will launch and prompt you to sign in or create an account. From here, enter your login details or click Sign Up if you're setting up a new account. At this stage, once signed in, you'll be taken to the Roblox homepage within the app. Keep in mind, Roblox will also install automatically the very first time you click play on any game directly from the website, even without downloading it manually beforehand. Finally, click on any game from the homepage to confirm Roblox is installed and working properly. And that's it. If this guide helped you download Roblox on PC and laptop on Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.